What's a good all-around ski that isn't $20,000? That's funny. Get a used VXR. Get a used Yamaha VXR. VXR is bang for the buck, dude. VXR is bang for the buck. The least amount of things to go wrong. I mean, absolutely. Least amount of things to go wrong. And good fuel mileage, fun, little rowdy, little playful, great ski. So the VXR is a blast. It's a lot of fun. Now the VXR prior to 2017 is the older VX hull, and oh no. I want to make sure I'm talking about the right one. 2014 has the yellow hood. Or is it 2015? Okay, yeah. Yeah, 14 is the previous hull design. Previous hull, previous deck. It's not the sportiest. It's not the sportiest. You could put sponsons and a ride plate on it. You could put a top loader intake crate. I wouldn't touch the engine at all. You got a VXR, leave it be. It's not an SHO. So I would typically leave the VXR as is. Maybe a ride plate and maybe some sponsons. That's really as far as I would go. Well, they redesigned the VX hull in 2015. 2015, they went to a new VX hull. And then the VXR was Nano Excel. And then the GP in 2017 came out, and that was Nano Excel 2. And it's the same hull shape, but different material. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.